Do a status update on the baby. Say you've been acting a lot better this morning. And last night at 3 a.m. Crawled in bed under the covers with your daddy, didn't you? You seem a lot better. Say they poked a needle in me to get a urine sample. And they stuck their finger up my butt. You didn't like it, did you? You seem a lot better. Huh? You're a good girl. You're daddy's baby, aren't you? Sissy's over there, sacked out in the old yucky carpet room. Are you back to being a bully now? Come on, kitty girl. She's afraid to go by her. Oh, Sissy. Come on. You're a bully. Come on, kitty girls. She's a bully, ain't she? At least she's feeling better. Come on. These tomatoes are looking so good. See if I can get some more of them over here. I'm gonna be harvesting some more sweet corn here. See if we can beat the 19 that I got last time. It's a pretty good angle of the beefsteak tomatoes. They're doing pretty good too. All the way up. Huh. Well, I didn't count them. There's quite a few of them here. It's between 20 and 30. Some of them are really small, but they're nice and yellow. I don't know if I can pick that up. The light ain't that great. And milky. I'm gonna husk all of them. Probably freeze them. Sweating like crazy. There's probably more out there that I didn't see. It's so hard to see them because a lot of the silk got chewed off. That one's there. Because usually if the silk's nice and dried up, is when you have a good idea that it's probably ready. But the Japanese beetles, which I think were pollinating the corn silk too, chewed off all the silk. I'm gonna husk them. There were 39 cobs when I started. I got a few rejects here for chipmunk or chippy. Some of these aren't, they don't look like they're quite ready, but they passed the milk pinch test. They'll taste fine. Chop it all off of there or just freeze the cobs just like that. That would be a good one for seed saving, which I want to go check those and see what the seed saving cobs are looking like. Gotta get a picture for Facebook too. Gotta love Facebook. Should be long enough for a still. I hope there's enough light here. This is the first one I did and it's really getting nice and dry. Seeds for next year. That hopefully, these ones aren't as good, these last three here. Hopefully we'll get more water next year. A little bad spot on it, but that'll be fine. I only got the bigger ones that I saved that aren't, well, that one's drying pretty good. That'll make nice seeds. I wonder how many seeds you can get off of one cob like that. Always think about the next year. These ones are not really dry yet. This is the really big one. Give it some more time to dry out. We had our medicine already today. Are you mad at me? Look at ya. You've been a lot better today. You didn't like that last one. What are you doing? You're not purring. Daddy was mean, huh? And shoved that down your throat. You're a good girl. I put something on her neck yesterday too. I think it's called propofol or something. Get you back in shape here. You got Daddy to take care of. Look at me when I talk to you. Look at me. You got a perky red nose. How you purring? Daddy loves his girls. You know that. Good kitty. Found a few more cobs while I was collecting the leaves. Open it up. Nice and yellow. These are the leaves I collected a few days ago. Cat litter. Nice and dry. We're going to make a cat box out of it. Free cat litter. I got one kitty cat that's a little bit tired out. What are you doing? One of those medications the vet said would make her tired, so I think it did. Be nice if these were those bucks this close, but I don't know if I'll get that lucky. That is. Oh, don't go in there. Need to get out on the porch. That's a buck too. That first one was bigger. I haven't seen these guys in quite a while. Still got their spots. One potty. Mama, one, two. Camera's humming. Get better one on the next take. Look at that. Just had two bucks down below. Now we got the babies. Look at you. You're growing. Acting like a big deer already. There's the other one. Can find it. Real good job, Mama. I'd like to get them closer together so I could get a better still. For a picture. Oops. There we go. A little bit even closer together. There you go. Well, they grew pretty fast. Been a while since I'd seen them. Awful close to the house, though. It's okay. We got most of the corn all harvested. They're like grown-ups already. Amazing how fast they grow. And learn everything to survive as good as they do. Leave them be and see what they're gonna do here. They saw me. Get better still right there. Yeah. The tail's in the air, guys. I'm in danger. It's alright, I don't want you up here anyhow eating my corn. Get back over to your mama. Mama saw me first. Good mama. She knows I'm not going to hurt them or they wouldn't be right where they're at, right? One with all three of you. Get a picture out of that. Oh, wow. I enjoy watching them. Got a few more tonight here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a total of 49. And a few of them were rejects. And the doe and fawns are down there again. Ran off once. Here they come. Not any corn left for ya. There's a few cobs down there. There might be 10 or 20 more to get bigger. This is how I fold it. If I can see, you do that. I got 3 Ziploc bags full of it froze. They say, I watched on YouTube, that if you freeze it in Ziploc bags just like that, it'll be fine. We'll find out. There they are with the husk off. There's a few more down here. But my real question is the corn way down below. Is it gonna have time to get tassels and cobs on it? Time will tell.